Struggling with that stubborn cough? Discover market secrets now. All right, within this vibrant street market, two potent natural remedies await: fennel seeds and licorice root tea. But why these? Fennel seeds, known for their sweet aroma, do more than enhance flavors. They excel in soothing digestion and easing that annoying cough. Meanwhile, licorice root tea, cherished for its calming essence, helps coat and comfort irritated throats effortlessly. Treatments nature intended. Whether brewing a soothing cup or snacking on seeds, the relief lies within nature's grasp. The magic lies in a cup. Uncover the power of simplicity and taste the difference. Remember, if you find solace in nature, like, comment, and subscribe for nourishing discoveries.